Good day, everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. By the way, so if you are new to this my channel, I want you to know that I analyze our forex, our stocks, and our crypto. So if you are interested in any of this one, I want you to like, subscribe, share, and comment. So now let's analyze our currency pair for today. The first one that I have here is our dollar index. By the way, and our dollar for this week, we are waiting for our dollar index to actually push up, but about yesterday our index was down. So today our prediction is that our price will actually still go down today, because there's what we call liquidity level here. As we can see this price area here, I believe that our peers will come out to take out all this liquidity level, this our liquidity area here, before actually pushing down. That is exactly what I'm waiting for. But if in case it does not happen that way, if in case it does not happen that way, then I will be waiting for our price to break above this our candle, this candle here, before I'll wait for our price to break above it before I actually take my buy position upward. If not, we'll be waiting for it to actually still be going down. So let's analyze on our 4-hour time frame. We can see on our 4-hour time frame it is still bearish, so we would want to be going down. By the way, so let's see if our price will actually push down a little bit, then we should be able to see some push up, and let's see if our price will continue to push down or it will actually reverse. But I believe that our price will continue to push down, by the way. So to take out a lot of buyers, a lot of people who have started placing their buy, our price should be able to go down a little bit to be able to take them all out. See, probably when our price will actually get to this area, I believe there will be some reversal. If not, I'll be waiting for break of this structure here before I actually take my buy position on our dollar index. So let's wait for our break of this structure before we actually take our buy index. So for today, we should be seeing bearish move on our dollar index. On our euro USD, as you can see it now, our euro USD is starting to give us some bearish move, by the way. So let's see if our price will be able to break below this area here before we can actually say that, okay, let us take our buy to this position or down straightward. So let's see. I believe that our euro too should be able to push up a little bit. That is exactly what I think it will go. And if it pushes down, it gets to this our area here, then we should be able to see some push up. I don't believe we would see that break today. Probably we should be seeing that break tomorrow or next tomorrow. So for today, we should be probably be seeing some rejection around this our area, then some push up, and let's see if then we'll be able to see that break. If not, we should be waiting and let's see how our price plays out. As for now, we should be seeing bearish move, because why? If you can on our 4-hour time frame, if you can see that we have double top here, so our price should be rejecting downward, then we would be seeing a push up before we actually see that break on our 4-hour time frame. On our 1-hour time frame too, you can still see it's still the same thing. Our double top, let's see if our price will be able to break below this area here, then we would start looking for a good selling opportunity. So let's see if our price will actually try to go against our trend, to try to go against those who want to be taking their sell position. By the way, there's every possibility, like I said, there's every possibility that our price can actually come back to retest this area before actually pushing down. Understanding liquidity, try to take out a lot of sellers who are already placing their sale. So there can be some manipulation in the market whereby it will come take out a lot of sellers before we actually see that bearish move on our euro USD, by the way. So let's see how our price will place out today. On our pound USD, I'm still seeing it as a bullish move, by the way. I'm still seeing our pound as a bullish move. So personally, so we can see that we want to start having some rejection here, what we call three top, whereby we are having rejection here. Let's see if our price will be able to push up a little bit to this our area here, then before we actually now see that sell position, as I would not want to be taking that our sell position quickly. So we can still see it on our 1 hour time frame. We can still see it, we can still call it as a triple top, by the way. So let's see if our price will be able to push up a little bit, test this our area before we actually see that fall, as it would want to be taking out a lot of people that are selling, who are selling, by the way. So let's see how our price will plays out today on our USDJPY. Our USDJPY is actually still bullish, by the way, so we want to be going bullish, as we can see that our price is retracing on our 4 hour time frame. So we would want to be taking our buy upward on our USDJPY, by the way. On our 4 hour time frame, is actually still going bullish. On our daily time frame, it is actually going bullish. So definitely we would want to be going bullish on our USDJPY straight up. On our USD card, let's see if our price is going to react to this our area here before you actually see that push up. That is exactly what I'll be seeing, that we see our price was around bearish yesterday. Let's see if our price will still be able to go bearish today. Then then we will see that push up. Let's see on our 4 hour time frame too, by the way. Our 4 hour time frame is still actually bearish. Our 1 hour time frame is still actually bearish, by the way. You see, it is still actually bearish. So before we can say, okay, this price I want to start giving us bullish move, is probably when our price got into this area, break above this our area here, then we can say, okay, we want to start going bullish. Why? Because when we see that we have break of this structure here, then our price should come back to retest. Then we actually see that our price breaks above this structure, then we can now say, okay, it is time to actually go bullish on this our pair. So then let's be taking our sell on our USD card. So let's see if our USD card will actually push it down a little bit for today before you actually see that push up. On our USD, the same thing, I'm still seeing it as a bullish move. So I want to see our price to actually get to this our area where it has reacted to before. We can see it on our liquidity level on our daily time frame. We can see this our liquidity level. Let's see if our price will actually push to that area today. Then before you can say, okay, price will start reversing or start having reversal move up. On our 4 hour time frame, you can still see it's still actually bullish, by the way. So it will be wrong for us to actually start taking our sell position. On our New Zealand, by the way, we will be waiting for a rejection, by the way. So we would not want to just jump in quickly. Let's see how our New Zealand is going to react, by the way. So on our 4 hour time frame, let's see if our price will be able to break below this area, come back, retest, and see if we start having that continuous push down before you can say, okay, let us take our sell position on our New Zealand USD. On our USD Swiss franc, by the way, I was still seen as on a bearish move. So let's a bearish move about to turn a bullish move. Let's see. I don't think there will be much movement today, but let's see how our USD Swiss franc plays out today, because I'm actually aiming for the reversal whereby our price will actually reverse back to touch this our area here. So let's see if our price will be able to reverse back, touch that our area here. But before that, I think there should be some rejection downward a little bit to around this our area here, about 0.927, before you can actually say, okay, there's a reversal back on our USD Swiss franc. So that is it for today. By the way, if you are interested in more, subscribe, like, share, and comment.